Hello guys, welcome to a new video. We're gonna diagnose this 36 volts Samsung SDI battery. The battery shows nothing. It's very easy to open. Just cut the back sticker and get these bolts out. 2, 4, 6, 8 and the one on the handle, which you must remove this cap to get a hold of the screw. Okay, and then this is a long screw. It goes through here and gets out on the other side. So yeah, it's not hard to take out. Okay, I already removed everything. Just wanted to show you what you need to do after you remove the small screws. You've got to unclip this connector, 2-pin connector. This is the plus and minus for the charging port from here. And by the way, usually number 1 is plus, number 2 is minus, usually. Now, yeah, so 1 is here towards the inside, and yeah, it's the plus, and on the other side is the minus. Okay, the third pin isn't used. Again, usually it's not universal, but usually that's correct. So now we're gonna just normally these have screws. And go just a second to see if yeah, it's screwed in the cap there, and there. There's another clip that needs to be removed, this one from the voltage or battery level, which is this wire. Only has a small tab. You press it and it just unclips. Okay, somebody had a go already at this battery. I already measured the battery and it is, to say the least, murdered. Someone jumped the minus from the charging port directly to the battery minus tab wire and bypassed everything, absolutely everything. So now the battery has a lot of damage, lots of dead cells, or at least at a first glance they seem to be very discharged, like no voltage. And we're gonna start measuring and show you what I mean. So starting with the minus tab, voltmeter shows 32 millivolts. Next cell, 0.223 volts. Next, 192 millivolts, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, No, this is minus, this is 2 volts. 2 point something, but the cells are dead. If they drop like that, when you just measure them, they're dead. So this is nothing, or no, 100 millivolts. 3.8 volts, 3.9 almost. So this one might be good. Mm, 100 millivolts. Nothing. The last cells 181 millivolts. So the battery is absolutely junk. You can only change everything in it, the BMS and the cells. You don't really necessarily need to change to put the same kind of BMS. You can use a Chinese one that will work very well. What can I say? This was a short diagnostic, and this is what happens when you send lithium-ion batteries to other people that don't know what they're doing to repair them. This is it for tonight, because it's night when I'm recording. See you after I talk to the owner and see what we're gonna do next. Either change everything in it, or just maybe buy another one, buy a new one. So thanks for watching. I'll keep you posted on this, and please consider subscribing if you haven't done that yet. It's free and it doesn't hurt, and it will help me. Thank you very much.